Steps that you can follow in order to remove hard disk drive from any laptop. First, try to uninstall the battery from the laptop. Take the screw off from the back panel so you can take the panel off from the laptop. Then follow the same procedure for the panel just above it. Take the screw off from the hard disk drive with the help of your tool. Once the process is completed, you can try to lift the hard disk drive with the help of your tool. Then you can simply try to unplug the cable of your hard disk drive, and with that you will be able to uninstall your hard disk drive from your laptop. With the help of your tool, you can put the screw back again in the same position where you have taken them off from. Then you can put the panels back again in the same place. Once the process is completed, you can take the battery and place it in the same place where you have removed it from. Here you have your tool and the hard disk drive of your laptop. If you like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe for more.